Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing review. Today we are looking at this remote control camera, HD streaming video. So this is what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and show you guys everything you get. It's ultra wide 1080p live stream video, 2.5 liter food capacity, built-in microphone, AI bird recognition, and also app control. Let's show you everything you get. Make sure you remove all these pieces. You don't need them. Okay, you get a mounting bracket, screws, an initial charging cable, more screws, a strap. This is where your birds are going to sit on. This is another mounting bracket, sticker for drilling, a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, and a manual. This is how it looks. There's the camera. You can rotate the camera. Now you're going to place this cable in the top here. But first we're going to go and we're going to take a look on the back here for a second. At the top you have an access panel. This allows you to get down to the wire and also any components that you need to get to. The panels should already be connected. All you need to do is take this cable right here, tilt it enough that you can place it inside like this, and then go ahead and push this off. There you go, as you guys can see. Now it's ready to pair. You guys can look at the app and all that fun stuff there. And yeah, for putting this on, you just use the screws and it mounts on like this. Place it on in like this, so your birds can sit on top, and then you go ahead and you put the screws through. It'll look like that. Let's go ahead and test it out, see if we can get some birds.